do a really fun ab movement. You're going to lay down on the ground, just like you do the leg lifts, and you're going to spell the word crunch. So you're going to lay down like this. You're going to put your legs up in the air. Try to keep your back flat on the ground as you spell the word, but you're going to spell crunch like this. C-R. Okay, if you can't do it that way, do it like we talked about before by putting your thumbs up underneath your rear end, and you spell it this way. Crunch. Like that. Just like this. So you spell the word until you're all the way done, okay?